What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Do you want to wear glasses and record what you see? Well, if you do, then I think you need KAMRE sunglasses. And I just picked these up. What you can see here is that they kind of look less like regular sunglasses. I'm pretty excited about checking them out. But, you know, whether I'm filming something, an action shot, you want to keep your hands free, maybe you're trying to do something covertly. There's a lot of times when I've just wanted to have KAMRE glasses. And in fact, even I thought things like the Google Glasses product were kind of interesting, just obviously never took off. Now you can see here it does come with some paperwork on how to update the firmware and whatnot, so we will kind of do all that, but I just wanted to really check all this stuff out and see what we get here right out of the gate. So we get a power brick here for charging it. A micro USB cable also comes with it, and then in this case right here, it's a very nice case with a clip here so you can take them on the road. All the glasses themselves, and here they are. Boom! Look at that. I think that actually looks pretty good. I mean, those are pretty real. Those are a pretty decent looking pair of sunglasses. Anyway, obviously it's not super covert. You can see right in the middle here on the bridge, you've got the camera, certainly not overly hidden away, but you do have kind of these spherical type lenses. You can see that the sides are really fairly ornate, kind of angular. I'm assuming that this will hold all the battery and the electronics that you need. And on either side here we have a little button, although this one on the left side is the only one that actually works. So that looks like it is a power button, and you can see here maybe on the inside I've got little blinking blue lights. So I think this thing is ready to get going. On the inside here, see we have a pretty nice like silicone nose pad. You can see me through here. So they look pretty sporty, and the arms do flex a little bit, so you should be able to kind of wrap it around your face and be pretty comfortable. I want to say here too, the SD card goes right in there, so it goes on the bottom. And then we have a little door here which opens up, which gives you access to what I think is the reset button right here, and then the micro USB port right there for recharging these things. So that's a quick look at the unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and charge them up, take a quick peek at the instructions, and then we'll try them out. Alright guys, got the glasses on here, and we're inside, just taking a look around the house. This is what you'll see in kind of normal indoor lighting. We're getting a pretty good light coming off the outside here. Just grab a vest. It's pretty cold, and I'm telling you right now that it's kind of cool because I've been playing around with these things, and one of the nice things about these glasses is that not only do they record, but they also record the audio too. So here we have the Mad Whips. Yeah, baby. Come to me. Now I will say that I think something like this is probably the obvious use is for like covert recording or something, but because the camera is right between the lenses and is a pretty obvious round housing, you're probably not gonna use this for, I don't know, spy work. Just it's too obvious that there's glasses in there. Now I also want to say here that we are under a wind advisory, so I'm not sure how good the audio is going to be while I'm outside here, but as you can see, what we have is the ability to record pretty much anything I'm looking at. It is kind of cool if I wanted to do some first person shots here, seeing the neighbors there, and kind of demo something, or maybe I'm working in my car, or out shooting or golfing and getting some action shots. But this is probably really good for that, kind of getting B-roll and even capturing the audio with it, maybe capturing a conversation, doing kind of an informal interview. You'll have to judge the audio quality and the video quality yourself, but I'm pretty stoked with this. It's pretty cool. I like it. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda, out.